for this evening is Senator Ted Kennedy. Senator Kennedy lived a life unlike the average American. During the Great Depression of the 1930s, he lived a life of excess. He went to private school as a teenager. He was accepted to Harvard despite average grades. He was expelled during his first year there for cheating on an exam, only to be re-accepted a few years later. You know, young Ted was very close to his father, Joe Kennedy Sr. But Joe Kennedy Sr. had the business morals of Al Capone. You know, and young Ted had to endure a lot in his life. He had to endure losing 3 of his older brothers in the prime of their lives. Joe Jr. in an armed forces plane crash. His brothers John and Bobby were assassinated. A failed marriage, his constant battle with alcoholism, womanizing, you name it. You know, it's a good thing he was a Democrat, because heaven forbid, you know, a good right-wing conservative Republican, you know, getting caught womanizing and drinking and having kids out of wedlock and other good things that average people do. I mean, he would be expelled from the party forever. You know, after all, they stand for family values. So, despite all the demons that haunted his life, Ted Kennedy turned out to be a nice, outstanding citizen. He won 9 Senate elections. He voted almost 1,000 Senate bills and was known as the Lion of the Senate. And he was the first voice of health care reform. And my main topic here today is I see a very unique opportunity for the lawmakers of Washington, D.C. The health care reform bill that's going to be passed as soon as the Senate, you know, reconvenes, I think this bill should be called the Ted Kennedy Health Care Reform Bill. You know, a cause that he was the voice of for almost 20 years. This would cement his name into the history of American politics forever. You know, for his enduring efforts and fighting for the rights of every American and the betterment of this country as a whole, he deserves this. The name Ted Kennedy should be connected with legislation that would change and make America a better place for everyone. Thank you, America. Keep the faith.